Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog ay tungkol sa The Kingdom. But, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-like, shares, comments, and views. Aabuti ng 500. It's-supportin natin sa ating social media ka. Our today's latest vlog, 401, episode 401, entitled The Kingdom Turns TV Series. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Pangunahin natin ang highlights. Okay, eto na. Ay, bago tayo, pangunahin natin muna yung from last year's latest vlog. Watch this! Yan. The Kingdom in SM City, Caloocan na panood noong December 27, 2024. Almost 2 years na. Kasi 1 year and 1 month. Sometimes. Nanonood ako ng The Kingdom sa SM City, Caloocan. Aside from Straits Frequencies, The Taiwan Killer Hospital, Isang Himala, Green Bones, Best Picture ng MMFF, and the breadwinner is that The Kingdom is directed by MMFF winner, Best Director, Mike Tobiera, while starring, of course, Bossing Vic Soto as Lacan Makisi and Piolo Pascual as Sulo, alongside Sue Ramirez, Christine Reyes, and si Tucero. Sa movie version, namatay yung characters. Si Bagwis, si Bagwis namatay during the middle of the movie, The Kingdom, dahil sa sinaksak. While Bossing Big Soto's Lacan Makisi namatay sa movie. Ang tanong lang, kasali ba sa TV version or special participation ng The Kingdom? Malalaman natin mamaya-maya lang. While Sue Ramirez, Christine Reyes, and Piolo Pascual as Sulo, Diane Matias, and Diane Luwahati ay continuation ng The Kingdom para sa TV series. Last Thursday sa ginanap ng story conference ng The Kingdom sa Rizal, APT Studios, para sa The Kingdom Makabilang Mundo. Yes, Makabilang Mundo story conference sa APT Studio in Cainta Rizal, kung saan dating studio ng Itbulaga. Na-miss mo ba ang Itbulaga sa APT Studios? Na yon ay nasa TV5 Media Center ang studio ng ating programang Itbulaga, which is currently hanggang ngayon. Ayan. Kasama po sa cast pa rin with Nico Antonio and Zion Cruz. While Ruby Ruiz, kasali siya. Abangan ang The Kingdom Makabilang Mundo sa TV5. Yes. Produced by APT Entertainment, MQuest Ventures, and of course, TV5. Coming soon na yung 2026. Good luck! Piolo, Christine Reyes, and also, the newest cast members are Derek Ramsey and Raisa Senor. Congrats and hopefully see each other sa The Kingdom Makabilang Mundo na yung 2026. Good luck and hope you enjoy. Yan po for our latest vlog. See you. Bye. God bless. Next time. Bye.